I feel like my hair is really big today. I just got a blowout. I love it, but it's feeling like it's overtaking my entire face. So we're gonna talk about Balmain today. I actually ordered a few things from Farfetch. I do have a new coupon code. I'll put all the details down below. Like always, it does expire in 30 days, so keep that in mind. If you have anything on your luxury wish list, now is the time. I picked up the chai from a new little coffee place, Minute Coffee. I've never tried this place before. Delicious. Really, really good. This actually reminds me of the chai from E-Bar at Nordstrom. It's super, super good. I will definitely be going back. I'm gonna try the iced one next time and I'll keep you guys posted. But today we're gonna talk about Balmain. I do have one other bag that I wanna share with you because I ordered like 3 things from Farfetch and 2 are from Balmain, 1 is not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and share that in today's video. But I thought we would do like a little Balmain review. I would share my current Balmain collection. It is small, by the way, but it really is a brand that, again, I've fallen in love with this year, and I was more introduced to it this year. And I love Balmain for very different reasons than I love other brands. So let's talk. Before we dive into all of the Balmain goodness, I wanted to share this new bag that I ordered from Farfetch. I have really, really fallen in love with Jacquemus. I love this brand so much, and hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. Don't be mad at me if I am not. But as you know, I did order another Jacquemus bag, like maybe 2 months ago. Really, really fell in love with that one. And I just, in general, I was really, really impressed with the quality of their pieces, especially when you compare it to the price of their pieces. It's so modern and streamlined and chic. There's just something about it that just like screams modern elegance, like modern chic. I just love, love, love. I actually saw this bag on somebody at the LTK conference and I was like, I need that. And I had already had this on my wish list. Like I had it in my favorites on Farfetch, but I was kind of hoping that I would maybe see it in person somewhere, like whether I went in store and saw something before I ordered it. I'm so glad that I saw it because I am seriously obsessed with this piece. Yes, you can use the Farfetch coupon code that I have for this. You can use it for a lot of brands, not every single brand, but you can use it for a ton of brands on Farfetch. So make sure to check out all the details down below. I love this bag. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I just love everything about it. It is suede, which you guys know is my obsession for fall and winter. This one is a little bit bigger than the one that I have already, which is great. Let me take everything out. That is a strap. So look at the size. Yes, I can fit my phone and a little bit more, but it is definitely a downsized bag. Is this not the coolest little handle you have ever seen? It is so, so good. And then it does come with a strap. It's still like wrapped up in here, but it's just like the matching coordinating strap. So you can wear this bag cross body, you can wear it longer on the shoulder. It is just too cute, gold hardware with the strap added. It is an adjustable strap, as you can see. I truly just love this so much. It's not gonna be an everyday bag, right? Like I'm not saying that I wouldn't wear it during the day, like if I was going to like a brunch or if I was going to like an event or something, yes, absolutely. But it's not an everyday bag, right? Like it's a smaller bag. It definitely is like date night, special occasion, event type of bag, but I just had to have it. I want a bigger one now. So I have like a mini one. This is a small one. And then I want to get like a bigger, more full size one. But I have just really fallen in love with this brand. I think it is so, so chic. So one of my favorite things about luxury, and one of the reasons why I think I really kind of dove in to this obsession almost with luxury, especially at the beginning of my channel, was just learning the history. There is something so incredible about understanding the history behind some of these brands. You know that I fell in love with Louis Vuitton. That was my first luxury love, and I just really loved learning the history behind bags, why they were created, when they were created, and all of that. So I thought we would kind of dive into some of the stuff that I found online in regards to Balmain. So it is a French luxury house. It was founded by Pierre Balmain in 1945, which is actually a little bit newer of a luxury house when you compare it to like Goyard or Louis Vuitton or Hermes. Like, it is a newer luxury house for sure, but it operates 16 mono brand stores, including locations in New York, London, Los Angeles, Vegas, Milan, Miami. In 2016, and I'm totally gonna probably pronounce this wrong, but Mehula Investments acquired Balmain for a figure reportedly close to over $500 million. It was 70% controlled by heirs. The company does not release financial information anymore, so that is just an estimate. But that is a little bit of the history behind the brand. I think it's really, really interesting. I personally feel like it is a little bit more of a modern brand when you compare it, like I said, to Louis Vuitton, Goyard, and some of those other houses that have been around for way longer than this. But there definitely is a history there. They've definitely been around for a while, and they definitely know what they're doing when it comes to luxury and style and fashion. So for me personally, when I think of Balmain, I think of their coats and their jackets, their blazers, specifically that gold button detail. I just have been in love with that style. I don't own anything from that particular look or line, but it is definitely a look that I have achieved in lower, look for less items. I have felt them, I have touched them, and the quality is incredible, I will say. I do have a few other pieces that I have acquired over the last couple of years. Well, maybe like year or so. And then I do have two brand new Balmain pieces that I want to share with you. I think we're going to go ahead and dive into the pieces that I've already owned, and we'll start there. This is my one and only handbag from Balmain, and I have talked very highly about this bag. The price point is incredible. I do think when it comes to their handbag line, the price point is actually really, really attainable when you compare it to some of the other luxury houses. This one is just under $1,000. Yes, it is not an all leather bag, so that is definitely something to keep in mind. You've got a lot of canvas here. You do have some leather trimming, and then you have an adjustable leather and chain strap. But I do really like this bag, and this is definitely one of my favorite Balmain bags in general. I think it's a great bag. It's a, it's a really cute style and look. I do personally feel like because you've got this kind of canvas linen-y material, it is more for spring and summer. Not that you couldn't wear this in the fall and winter, because you definitely could. But for me, I do have, and I do kind of reserve a few of my bags for certain seasons, and this one will be more for a spring and summer bag for me. But I really do like this, and I think this is an amazing price point when getting into a luxury brand out of actually like usable handbag size. It's smaller, of course, but you can definitely fit all of your essentials in here. Next up is gonna be my Balmain denim jacket. So this piece right here, I love it so much. Like, this right here is such a great example of the Balmain vibe. You've got these stunning gold buttons on here. You've got them here. You've got them up here on the shoulder, which this is another detail that Balmain is very much known for, that almost kind of military style jacket. I just think they do such a good job. You even have the gold buttons here on the wrists. You guys know I'm obsessed with denim jackets. I own several of them, but I will say there is something so special about this one. It's definitely a splurge. What I really do feel, if you were to put Balmain in different categories, let's say like their handbag line versus like their clothing line, I do think their handbag line is much more affordable, but their clothing line is definitely up there in that luxury category. But their pieces, the quality of this denim jacket is absolutely incredible. It is such a beautiful piece, and it's a piece that I will be able to wear literally for the rest of my life, as long as I take care of it. If maybe get it dry cleaned and just kind of make sure that I'm really paying attention to the wear over time. It is just one of those pieces that I hope to have in my collection for the rest of my life. I really, truly just love this piece. And I feel like any Balmain jacket, if it's in your budget and it's something that you want, I feel like that is the way to go. I feel like there is something about a Balmain jacket, and if it were up to me, when I think of Balmain, I think of their jackets, more specifically their blazers, not necessarily a denim jacket, but they're just known for that blazer jacket look, and I am so glad that I at least have this, maybe one day a blazer. Now let's go ahead and dive into the two new pieces that I just recently ordered from Farfetch. First up is gonna be this like oversized cropped tee. I've talked a lot about luxury tees, and you know, when buying from a luxury brand like Balenciaga or Balmain, you know, they do offer a lot of these really casual, you know, staple kind of pieces. Something that if the logo wasn't there, would you spend this amount of money on it? Let's be honest. The answer is going to be no. But if you are like me and you love adding luxury pieces, luxury ready to wear, and you're wanting to add something to your wardrobe that is from the Balmain line, this is a really, really good intro piece to add. This one came in a ton of different colors, and I honestly couldn't decide what color I wanted at first because it did come in so many. They have it in white, they have it in black, they have it in a lighter or a darker nude, they had it in like a pink. They even have different shirts that have like the buttons on the top, which I love those as well. But I ended up going up a size in this because it's crop. You know how I am about my crop stuff. But I just love this piece. And I will say, the material of this is really, really nice. You can see the quality in this piece, no different than the jacket or their other pieces. It's like the highest quality that you can get in a t-shirt. Like there's only so much you can do when you're talking about like a t-shirt silhouette. So keep that in mind. But again, I do think this is a really good way to add a Balmain piece, like ready to wear piece to your wardrobe without truly, truly breaking the bank. Yes, it is still pricey. Of course, we are talking about luxury here, but when you compare it to a jacket or their blazers or any of their other ready to wear pieces, this is a really, really great start. This piece I am most excited about. I was super, super excited to get this in. I also just wanted to share the box that it came in. So when you order from Farfetch, I always get a few questions about Farfetch. Yes, everything is brand new. They are just kind of your source to be able to shop luxury brands, sometimes at a discounted price through something like my coupon code, but directly through brands that are all over the world. So when you place an order, you will see that your pieces may come from, you know, they may come from Europe, they'll come from all over the world, and you'll see where each individual piece is coming from. But just know they are coming from a piece from a brand new, like from a boutique brand new from that place somewhere else, which is really amazing. Everything is always packaged really nicely. I always get my pieces really quickly, to be honest, especially since you are talking about getting pieces from all over the world. But I love the fact that, you know, you get, you know, in most cases, you're going to get all of the original boxes because you are getting them directly from the boutique. I always get asked if Farfetch is pre-loved. Oh, I think it's already there. I don't want to spoil it quite yet. They do have a pre-love section, and I have ordered from the pre-love section with great luck. But whenever you just order from their website, everything is brand new, direct from boutiques all across the world. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put this box down and grab the piece. Oh my goodness, this is quite literally the most beautiful cardigan I will probably ever own. Look at that gold detail, the gold buttons. You have got this kind of like oversized slouchy grandpa cardigan. But look at the back here. You've got this beautiful, beautiful like embroidery, Balmain Paris. It is just such a beautiful piece. I love luxury cardigans. I love adding like luxury layers. This is such a great way to add luxury ready to wear to your wardrobe. But it be something that is, I mean, this is just like it's a classic silhouette, right? It's in a classic color combo with classic details, the gold buttons, this kind of like stripe. It is just such a beautiful piece. I also went a little bit oversized in this one because I love a good oversized cardigan. I think I got a medium. Yeah, their sizing is like numbers, but It's just such a beautiful piece. Look at all of these details. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm so excited. It's so beautiful. It really is. This is so, so stunning. I do have a couple of other luxury like sweaters and cardigans, and I just feel like I love the fact that that is the area of my wardrobe that I am adding more ready to wear pieces, because I just think that that is such a great way to do it, because these are so impactful. Like adding a jacket, adding a blazer, adding a cardigan, it is such a great impactful way to add a ready to wear piece, because you can wear them so many different ways, right? Like you really can style them so many different ways. I just love this piece so much. So there you have it, my small but growing Balmain collection. I'll make sure to link everything that I shared in today's video down below in the info box, as well as my Farfetch coupon code. Don't forget, you can use that on Balmain, Jacquemus, brands like Balenciaga, and so many more. So all the details for that will be down below as well. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I do a lot of luxury videos here. I'm also going currently through a entire home remodel on a new home that we just purchased. So if you love content like that, make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification button so you don't miss any future videos. Everything will be linked down below again, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.